Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to read books offline on Wattpad. First of all, open the Wattpad application. You can see over here Wattpad has been opened. In order to read the books offline, what you have to do is make it available offline. Simply find the book that you would like to download for offline reading. Simply tap on that particular book, or you can also search for the book by tapping on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Here I'm just going to tap on the book from the home interface. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Add it to the library. Tap on the option library. Tap on the option done. After you do that, you'll have to go back. Tap on the library icon that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here that particular book will be displayed in the other stories section. What you have to do is tap on the download icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this book will be available offline. Now you can go offline. Here I'm just going to disconnect from the internet. Now you can simply tap on the book available offline. Now you'll be able to read the book even though you're not connected to any internet or network connection. Like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you read books offline on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.